Ecos Nature Park is basically Ballymena's way of saying, look, we're fancy, we even have wildlife with better social lives than you. Just a stone's throw from the town center, this 220-acre natural wonder has 8 kilometers of mostly flat paths because nature understands that nobody came here to train for a marathon. You could stroll through peaceful woodland, around lakes and ponds, across grazed meadows and through hayfields that look like they belong on a calendar your granny would buy. In summer, the fields absolutely show off, covered in wildflowers, and at times hundreds of butterflies floating around like tiny drunk fairies at a garden party. It's beautiful, magical, and mildly insulting when you realize even butterflies have a better summer holiday than you. Your ears are treated to the sweet songs of meadow pipits, skylarks, and loads of other birds all singing like they're auditioning for Northern Ireland's Got Talent. Ecos is basically a 5-star maternity ward for birds like snipe, grasshopper warblers, and dunnocks, species that are declining elsewhere but clearly know good real estate when they see it. Come winter, the lapwings arrive in dramatic flocks, swooping and circling like they're filming the final scene of an action movie before landing to snack on insects in the soft meadow soil. Even the birds here are more organized than most people. If you sneak up quietly to the lake, you might feed the mallard ducks, geese, and swans, or be judged by them depending on your bread quality. You may also spot migrant ducks dabbling for food, while teals softly whistle across the water like tiny feathery kettles. Finches and linnets gather in noisy little gangs, chittering away like pensioners at the front window watching the street. One of the real VIP residents is the family of otters, adorable, shy, and somehow still better at social interaction than most humans. They've been spotted splashing around in the Braid River and Lake, probably living their best lives. And for the plant enthusiasts, all 3 of you, the incredibly rare Irish lady's tresses Orchid appeared here in 2006. It only exists at 8 sites across Northern Ireland, making it rarer than finding a parking space when you actually need one. So really, Ecos isn't just a park, it's a wildlife soap opera with ducks, drama, butterflies, and judgmental swans.